Hi my loves, thanks for returning. I hope this video finds you happy and doing well. As you know by the thumbnail, this video is going to be on new skincare releases. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright, so let me get a little bit of housekeeping out of the way. There, it's cloudy outside, so if the lighting is going in and out, it's because of I have my windows open in the cloud. So just please overlook that. So in this video, I'm going to talk about skincare that you may find at Sephora or Ulta or just other uncommon places. I ran across a lot of things that I would like to try, so I thought maybe you would be interested in them as well, so I thought I would do this video. I do have my notes, which I have taken on everything that I saw and all of the key points in regards to each product that I would like to share with you. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and get into the first. So the first one is by Thrive Causemetics, and I think that's kind of cool how it has cosmetics, not cosmetics. Anyway, this is their Moisture Flash Active Treatment Toner, and we all know that toners are really popular in a lot of our skincare routine. Some people think that they're necessary, some people not so much. I plan on doing a video in regards to that topic, but this particular toner is a pH balancing toner, and it's a liquid exfoliant that helps smooth and brighten the skin. It does have witch hazel, which from my understanding is the natural witch hazel, and it does cleanse and it targets unevenness. It also has salicylic acid, which is going to really target your pores and clean out any congested pores and help with acne. And it's just something that's really going to help clear your skin without added dryness, and that particular product retails for $36. So that would be good if you have any type of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and of course acne that you want to address. That one would be a good one to try. Another one is by Kinship, and this is their Mint Mud Mask. And this mud mask is supposed to be a refreshing treatment. It too is supposed to aid in cleansing out your pores, and this is thanks to kaolin clay, and it also has lactic acid in it, which gently dissolves dead skin buildup. It also brightens skin, and it also has a minty smell. So some people are into that, some not so much, and this does retail for $23. Another one is by Goodhabit, and this is their Rescue Me Clean Scene Micellar Gel. And this gel is supposed to assist in getting all of your makeup off. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, as well as gemazulene. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's supposed to help with redness. And it also claims to help with those really stubborn or waterproof makeup, like your mascara or your full coverage foundations and things like that. And that one retails for $38. The next one is by Moon Juice, and this is their Acid Potion Resurfacing Exfoliator. This is loaded with glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and of course all of those are supposed to help with smoother and a clearer complexion. And it also has niacinamide in it to ensure that your skin stays well hydrated. And I would recommend using this product if you're pretty much used to using all of those types of acids. I do love the fact that they have added niacinamide in this particular exfoliator, which is really needed because you don't want your skin to dry out, especially since it has salicylic acid in it, which is something that is going to help with acne and things like that. So this one does retail for $42. The next one is Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum, and this serum is supposed to help your skin appear more plump, more radiant. It does have a diamond mineral powder, which is supposed to help create a translucent glow that looks gorgeous on all skin tones, and that one retails for $32. The next one is by Juice Beauty, and this is their Prebiotic Instant Lash Facial. And this one is an all-in-one treatment which acts as an exfoliating mask and cleanser. It has plant beads and tartaric acid, which exfoliate away dead skin cells, while iris extract and prebiotic ingredients help encourage balance and give your skin a fresh face glow. Just in case you're wondering, Juice Beauty is a all-natural brand, and I would advise if you do decide on this product, use it by the expiration date. Make sure you have it all used up. This one does come in at a whopping $52. So if you're into clean makeup, all natural makeup, definitely check this one out. It does have a lot of good ingredients in it. I have used some of their products before in the past. I've done videos. I think I have a video where I've used their foundation. So definitely check them out if you're interested in all natural and clean skincare. Okay, so this next one is by Chantecaille. This is their Radiant Elixir. This one hydrates and replenishes your complexion. It's considered an illuminating serum, which is supposed to give your skin a healthy, fresh glow. You can either wear it alone or under your foundation. And it says that you really don't need a lot, only one drop. So as many of you all know, Chantecaille is a very expensive brand, and this product comes in at a whopping $210. And I know that I have a variety of subscribers, some that are interested in luxury, some kind of in the high end, and some affordable. This one clearly comes in at the luxury mark. So I have not tried that, but if you're out there and you've tried this, please tell me down below how you like it, if it worked for you, and all that good stuff. All right, so the next one that I have is by Neutrogena. This is their Soothing Clear Turmeric Mousse Cleanser. And as you all know, turmeric is well known for its soothing properties, which is good for calming any acne breakouts. This is a lightweight formula that is going to remove dirt, oil, and all makeup from your pores without stripping the skin of any natural oils. This one's super affordable, and it comes in at $10. All right, so this next one is by Belif, and I absolutely love this brand. This is their Aqua Bomb, but this is the new one where they've actually added aloe vera. And we all know that aloe vera provides soothing properties. It's also going to provide hydration to your skin. A lot of this is due to the glycerin and the ceramides. And all of this is really going to be good at calming irritated skin that has either acne or either lots of redness. This one does come in at $38. All right, so the next one is by Malin+Goetz, and this is their Resurfacing Face Serum. So with this particular serum, you are going to get brighter, smoother skin. It does have glycolic and lactic acid, which is going to exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin C cells to give you a more radiant complexion. And it also says that all you need is 2 to 3 drops, so you don't really need a lot of it, but it does come in at a whopping $70. All right, so the next one that I have is by Ellis Day. This is their Wild Resilient Active Phase Serum. And this one is basically good for people who have hormonal breakouts. It is made of natural and vegan ingredients, which help to soothe irritation, reduce redness from acne. And it also does claim that just after a few weeks, you'll start to see results. And this is another pricey one that's coming in at a whopping $85. All right, so the next one is by Kate Somerville, and this is her Delicate Recovery Serum. And this is ideal for all of you all out there who have sensitive skin types. This is a lightweight serum. It does have cucumber seed oil, which is good at calming and soothing redness. It also has ceramides, which is going to help protect and strengthen the skin's barrier. And this one does come in at a whopping $85. And the last one that I want to talk about is by Sara. This is a lip elixir, and this particular elixir does have hyaluronic acid. We know that hyaluronic acid is going to help your lips feel smooth and soft.